Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to send a voice recording and a text message on your iPhone. Apple's Messages app is a great way to stay in touch with friends and family. One of the more hidden features of the Messages app is the ability to easily send messages to other iPhone or iPad users. There is no limit on how long your message can be, but the app does default to automatically delete messages you both send and receive within 2 minutes of sending or receiving them. However, you can change your settings to keep these messages forever. First, let's walk through how to send a voice recording and a text message on your iPhone. Step 1. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone, and then navigate to the conversation you want to send a voice message to. To send everyone in that conversation thread an audio message, you have to first verify that everyone in that conversation is using iMessage. You can do this by looking to see if the bubbles associated with messages you've sent in that conversation are blue. If the conversation bubbles you sent into that conversation are green, then at least one person in that conversation isn't using iMessage and you won't be able to send an audio message through this method. Step 2. Hold your finger against the voice recording icon that appears on the right side of the field where you would enter a text message. Your iPhone will automatically start recording you and will continue recording you until you remove your finger from the screen. Step 3. Speak your message and then remove your finger from the screen when you're done. There is no time limit. The waveform associated with your message will be displayed in the field where you would typically enter a text message. Tap the play button to listen to your audio message. Tap the send button to send your voice message to the people in this conversation, or tap the X that appears to the left of the waveform to delete your audio message if you either don't want to send it or want to re-record it. In this example, I'll tap send to send my voice message. Now, as I mentioned previously, it's important to remember that all voice messages you send or receive on your iPhone will, by default, disappear 2 minutes after you listen to them. You can tap Keep beneath messages you send to keep them, but you do not have a quick option to keep voice messages you receive on your iPhone. If you want to keep all voice recordings you send and receive forever by default, you'll need to change your iPhone settings by doing the following. Step 1. Open the Settings app and then tap Messages in the Settings menu. The Messages screen is displayed. Step 2. Scroll down to the Audio Messages section and then tap Expire. Tap to place a check mark next to Never. Now, none of the audio messages you either send or receive through the iPhone Messages app will be deleted automatically. Let me know what your favorite messaging app is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.